Good afternoon everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to discuss the continuing topic major pricing methods. So the topic here is the other methods in pricing. Till now we have studied many methods in types of pricing like demand oriented pricing, cost oriented pricing, customer oriented or market driven pricing, and value based pricing. Now some major pricing methods and some other pricing methods are also here. So the major pricing methods policies followed by business enterprises are discussed below. Here are 12 names more: competitive pricing, penetration pricing, one price versus variable pricing, market skimming pricing, discrimination or dual pricing, premium pricing, leader pricing, psychological pricing, price lining, resale, price maintenance, everyday low pricing, and team pricing. So out of these 12 methods, some methods we have already studied in types of pricing. So we have studied first method, competitive pricing. After hearing this name, competitive pricing, we can understand that we have learnt in point number 3, competition oriented pricing or market driven pricing. So competitive pricing is same as point number 3 which we discussed earlier, competition oriented pricing or market driven pricing. It simply means, competitive pricing simply means to fix price according to your customer. The firm in this pricing set price according to the condition what other firms are charging. This is competitive pricing. So there is no need to learn again. You can just learn the same definition which you studied earlier. Here one example is given. You can learn examples. Examples are very important. You can learn, for example, when Coca-Cola introduced the 200 ml beverage bottles for rupees 8 only. जब कोका कोला ने सिर्फ 8 रुपीज़ की 200 ml कोल्ड ड्रिंक बॉटल लॉन्च की, then its rival means competitor, Pepsi got conscious and followed same suit, means same to tackle the competition. To be in competition, Pepsi also cut its price because Pepsi and Coca-Cola both serve cold drinks and they are competitors of each other. So competitive pricing means just to check the price of your competitor. So in Pepsi and Coca-Cola are rivals or competitors of each other. So you can learn lots of examples in marketing. Actually marketing is all about examples. So you can learn examples. Penetration pricing, second method. Just learn. You have studied this method already. Penetration I have already taught. It is same. There is no need to learn again. You can just remember. Penetration pricing means to set low price initially of the product and then increase the price slowly. That's penetration pricing. Penetration pricing is done to enter in new market and to capture high market share, large market share. Okay, same definition is given. Just learn the old definition I taught before. You can learn the example given here. For example, the makers of Nirma detergent powder. Nirma detergent powder makers use penetration pricing to enter the market and raise its market share quickly at the cost of Surf. Okay, you can learn the example of Surf Nirma detergent powder. Okay, point number 3, one price versus variable price policy. One price means fixed price. You are charging fixed price for the same product. Variable price means you are charging different price for same product. That's variable pricing. So here it is written, in case of one price, one name suggests same price means the seller charges the same price to similar types of customer. Okay, the seller charges the same price to similar types of customer. In case of variable price policy, the seller sells similar quantities to similar buyers at different prices. Okay, means similar product but different price. For example, a seller may sell the same product at a lower price to old or loyal customer. Means we can give some discount to old customer or loyal customers. Loyal means those customers who are regular to our company. It usually happens for products such as refrigerators, automobiles, TV, etc. Okay, for them you can sell old customers at some discount and new customer at costly prices like refrigerator, automobiles, TV. So that's one price means fixed price, variable means you are charging different price for the same product. Market skimming pricing, next method. Point 4, market skimming pricing. After listening the name, point 4, market skimming pricing, you can remember you have already studied market skimming pricing. Market skimming I have already told in point number 1, demand oriented pricing. Market skimming means to charge high price, more price for good quality products. Okay, same is written here, a seller may charge higher price. Okay, so there is no need to learn again and again, just remember same definition which I taught earlier. It means higher price for premium quality or good quality products. For example, you can learn example given here. Apple's iPhone 7 is highly priced in the market. So in market skimming price, you can learn the example of Apple iPhone 7, which is highly priced in the market. Okay, so some methods are repeat here. Competitive pricing is repeat here, penetration pricing is repeat here, market skimming is also repeat here. You just have to learn one price versus variable price policy and learn the examples of all. Next, point number 5, discrimination or dual pricing. Discrimination, just learn, you have also studied this method before. Discrimination, you have studied discriminatory or differential pricing. So it is same as differential or discriminatory pricing. I have already taught in point number 1, demand oriented pricing. Okay, it means different prices for the same product according to different situation. For example, locational changes, according to location prices are different. For example, according to season prices are different. For example, according to image prices are different. For example, according to weather prices are different. For example, according to day and night prices are different. So you can learn the same definition of discrimination or dual. Dual means two. Okay, dual means two. This means दो price for the same product. Okay, I am showing here that you have learnt all the methods. Let's see, I have taught you 4 methods. Demand oriented, then I taught you differential pricing. It is same. Differential and discrimination or discriminatory are same. Here you can learn time के according price change, location, product version, customer, bargaining ability, knowledge and availability. There are price changes in pricing. Skimming, you can see you have learnt. Penetration, you have learnt. Next, competition, you have learnt. Competition oriented pricing. So these methods are repeat here. So you have learnt, though there is no need to learn them again. So discrimination or dual pricing is same as differential or discriminatory pricing. It means two prices for the same product. For example, taxi charges are different at day time and at night, and different at night time. Next, point number 6, premium or prestige pricing. Premium or prestige means very high price for good quality products. It is new method. Just learn, a company that sells a premium product, that is a product of supreme quality. Supreme means higher quality and unique feature. Unique means something different, and technology, will employ premium distribution channels and promotional strategies. Okay, to justify these, the pricing of such a product is also premium. Means if a company is doing so much expenses, it is getting so much cost on producing high quality good features, something different technology, different features, and it is spending more and more on distribution channels and promotional strategy. So obviously price of such product will also be high. So that's called premium or prestige pricing. Okay, premium pricing can give rich dividend when buyers are not price conscious. So premium pricing is for those buyers who are not very worried about price. They are ready and they are willing to pay a higher price for better product. Yes, some customers want to have not only good product, they want to have better and best product. So they are ready to pay more if they get better product. So for some customers who are not price conscious, this is a very good method, premium or prestige method. Example, you can just note down branded products or branded items, or you can learn the example given here. Consumers are ready to pay high price for Van Heusen shirts in comparison of local brand. Means for branded shirts they are ready to pay more than local brands. Okay, so these are good quality products, unique feature products, and technology is very much high. So these are so simply prices are also high, so these are called premium or prestige prices. So here 12 methods are given. I have discussed 6 methods. Next 6 methods are remaining that I will discuss in next video. So out of 12 I discussed 6 methods here: competitive pricing, penetration pricing, one price versus variable price policy, market skimming pricing, discrimination or dual pricing, and premium or prestige pricing. So just learn these this pricing methods. Next 6 I will discuss in next video. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in next video.